All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wonderful people. Welcome to your one and only YouTube platform that gives you the updated news and information. This is Talk Waves TV. Yes, your number one YouTube channel where they give you the updated news and information as it they happen, as it they hot for Biafraland. Straight to the matter why I carry come for you because you know say today, Nnamdi Kanu was in court. Today is December 15th, and Nnamdi Kanu was in court, and as usual, the Nigerian government don't do it and then take no them. Yes, Supreme Court declines to free Nnamdi Kanu. It has actually become a norm in Nigeria. It's a country where injustice have become the order of the day, and it is actually bringing the country down on daily basis. It is actually a problem, but what can we say? We'll keep on praying and we'll keep on being optimistic concerning the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So without wasting much of your time, make we give you update on that matter. Supreme Court declines to free Nnamdi Kanu, and the news in detail. The Supreme Court on Friday declined to order the release of the indigenous people or Biafran leader, Nnamdi Kanu, from detention. Our news platform reports that the Apex Court, in a judgment delivered by Justice Emmanuel Agim, but written by Justice Gabalawal, voided and set aside the judgment of the Court of Appeal, which in court in October last year ordered Kanu's release and quashed the terrorism charges against him. The Supreme Court held that although the Nigerian government recklessly and unlawfully rendered Kanu from Kenya, such an unlawful act has not divested any court from proceeding with trial, they said. Justice Lawal said that no Nigerian law was cited in the suit seeking Kanu's release on mere unlawful abduction from Kenya, adding that at the moment, the remedy for such action is for Kanu to file a civil matter against such act instead of removing the powers of courts to continue with his trial for alleged criminal charges. The Apex Court subsequently ordered that Kanu should go and defend himself in the remaining 7 counts of terrorism charges against him. And that is the detail concerning this Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing. I'm going to play you a video, along the line. And in the video, you will see how the lawyer, the defendant of the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, gave a very crisp, detailed information on how the court proceeding went. It is actually a very, very shameful act in the Nigerian judiciary that as of now, there is no truth in the judicial system of the country. They have failed to be the last hope of the masses. I grew up knowing the judiciary to be the last hope of the common man. But the reality is that it has actually turned to something where the allies, the rich people, hide their criminality. The masses, the poor, does not even have hope, when it comes to the judiciary anymore. And that is the problem. There is no truth in the judiciary anymore. And that is why people are complaining. The country is going down the drain on daily basis. Why will Nnamdi Kanu still be under DSS custody? It is actually a very disturbing thing to hear that even as of now, the Nigerian government cannot come out with any credible reason why Nnamdi Kanu should be under DSS custody. We keep on crying that the country is deteriorating, is getting bad, and yet it is getting worse on daily basis. But when I don't hear the video I'm going to play for you is for you to at least comment and give your own input concerning the issue, because Ifeanyi Ejiofor, gave the detail of everything that happened in court. The reality, and if you listen to that video, you go see say this country no go even, it never even the better. And that is why you see the people, the indigenous people fighting for the freedom of their people, because the country has actually shown, to be a reckless country. Nothing good is coming out on daily basis. So listen to that video and continue to share that video, because you get our brothers and our sisters, we suppose know wetin dey happen for the land as they hot. Please make sure you share that video to our brothers and our sisters, both those here and those in diaspora. Share to every group and to every platform. Enjoy this video and make sure that you continue to choose this YouTube channel to get your updated news and information.
First of all, let me apologize to you for what happened, for the manner in which you are restricted from coming inside the court today. We're also victim because one of my junior lawyer, Mr. Shameful, will also not allow access to the court today. So I discovered this a policy they introduced to checkmate those who are coming inside. But they insisted you must come along with the ID card, or otherwise you will not be allowed access. So, and we're not there to fight them. All the idea is just to get justice. Yes. And unfortunately, what has happened has happened. Today, the one that came up for judgment in appeal filed by the federal government against the decision of appeal. So, in summary, those who were inside will also confirm, collaborate the situation and get personal plan. So, in summary, the court condemned in its entirety the version of Nnamdi Kanu's premises on the 13th of September 2017. So, the court condemned it in its entirety, and also blame his eventual escape from being killed. Blame it on the government, because the court said someone has been brought before the court and his matter adjourned for hearing. And if in the course of enjoying the bail granted, then the federal government discovered he has committed offense or breached the bail condition, he will simply come to court and apply for that bail to be revoked or amend the charge. But in this case, they went to his house to invade the premises to kill him. Then at the same time come to the court to apply for the bail granted him to be revoked. So the court not only condemned the fact that his house was invaded by the federal government security agents, it also condemned the fact that the federal court granted order revoking his bail. So order revocation of his bail was also condemned by the Supreme Court today. Then the court thirdly blamed the federal government and also condemned the brute force in which Nnamdi Kanu was abducted in Kenya and extraordinary relation to Nigeria. The court found the international law that condemned it noble, but courts likened the manner in which Nnamdi Kanu was abducted in Kenya to a situation whereby a security agent has gone for search in a premises, so and without search warrant. The court said though the act of going into a premises to conduct search is condemnable and not allowed by law, but the fact that there are injectable materials found because of that search, that illegality will not affect those materials to determine the cost of the search. So what the court, not what the narrative, because kind of analogy the court drawn at the point he was so the court said no, the manner in which Nnamdi Kanu was abducted in Kenya and extraordinary decision to Nigeria is illegal and unconstitutional, but that will not affect the fact that Nigerian law has to take its place. What does it mean by Nigerian law taking its place? That since he's already in Nigeria, that he must go back to the federal high court to face the trial. That's some of what happened today. So of course you are aware that the federal government had before now 515 count charge, which were related to his competence, portion to which the court struck out, the federal high court struck out 8 count many some. So, and we appeal against it. Eventually, today, the court said we are going back to court to fight for him to face that many culture. So, this is some of what happened today in court. And it's not within our prerogative to condemn Supreme Court, because this is final court of the land. So, we are going back to federal high court to follow the law. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Is there any date set for that? Yeah, no. We're expected to follow up, because of course, if we allow the federal government time to do that at their own convenience, of course, by January ending, we are saying there. So, we're going to follow up to ensure that a date is given as quick as possible. Possibly between now and Monday, we're going to get a date. Okay. Thank you very much.
My attorney, if I may ask, is it right for any matter brought before the Supreme Court to refer back to the junior court as a federal law?
You know, the appeal, this matter is a live matter before the High Court. So an appeal was file against President of Fine after Shameful appeal. They eventually ended the Supreme Court today. So the Supreme Court has the prerogative to even order for a trial or for hearing in the event of a civil case. The Supreme Court has the power to direct the High Court to hear the matter again or to the trial. So in this case, they're going back to the court because you know the matter was adjourned to the guy before the High Court. So now we're going back to the High Court to continue the trial. So it's within the right and the law.
From Federal High Court, is there any need they are going to proceed from Federal High Court back to Court of Appeal, then back to Supreme Court where they are coming from now?
I do not think the need will arise. But if the need arises, we are going to do that further out again.
Okay.
In the course of the trial, if discovered any irregularity or problem,
Everyone is
if the need arises for us to appeal against any decision of the Federal High Court, of course, we can go to court of appeal.
from there to Supreme Court.
Sure. Thank you so much for coming. May God bless you. I wish you safe going back to the station.
Thank you, sir.